Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can send and receive the fax messages on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So at the start we have to download a fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Store. I always choosing that one, EasyFax. So we can open it now, add the permissions to the gallery in the camera, and now if you want to add a document, click on this little plus. Choose the source of your document. You can choose something from the gallery, a PDF from the downloaded files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo now. Oh, sorry about that. And now you can adjust the shape of your document, adjust it to your needs, and if you are ready, click here. Now just choose the filter for make your document more visible. And you can also add a signature by this little icon. Click done. You can also add a text or a graffiti by these icons. So if you are ready, click on this checker icon, and now type the number that you want to send the fax, and optionally you can give a small note. If you want to add more documents, just click again on this plus and do it the same like before. But if you want to send only this one, just click here, and that's it. If you want to get a fax number to receive the fax messages, go back to the main screen and tap on this tab. As you can see, now we are in the receive fax mode, and just click here to get a fax number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.